Hi, I'm Daniel McGrew with Epiroc Product Support for their underground rock excavation team. Today on our E1C DH, I'll be showing you how to adjust our feed pressure, and this will apply to any of our RCS 5 boomers. So here I'll show you how to adjust your feed pressure. So while you're drilling, we're in drill mode. Pay attention to where our arrow is up here. We just simply hit the function 2 button. Light will come on, and then twist the knob, whether to the right if we want to increase our pressure, or to the left to decrease our pressure. The other way that we can do this is hit the pin up here, and then we can turn it up or down. On the screen, once we set our pressure, hit that again and it'll disappear. Thank you for watching. And for more information, please contact Epiroc dealer or a service center.